Morning guys, today's job is a Kenmore 90 series dryer. And basically, I'm just gonna take it and make it pretty. It runs and operates pretty good, heats up really well. The dial works, it runs through everything, all the knobs, everything. It's just simply dirty. Yeah. In a previous video, we completed this one. That's the matching set or matching washer to it. Let me show you. This is it. Kenmore 90 series. We'll be doing the same thing to the other one, getting it nice. Okay, I've got it pulled apart a little bit, and it looks filthy. That's that little bottom cover for it. But I mean, everything's there. We have completed. We got both tabs. Both tabs here, which holds that in very tight. So, I've got the top pulled off, flip back, should I say. Where the actual dryer cord hooks up right here, that shouldn't be like that. It should actually be, as you can see, the screws for it up in here. But we'll have to fix that. Okay, got the top of the lid off. Again, I got the lower portion of this front piece off. I've got all the screws out of the back. It just needs to get pulled off. But this thing is pretty filthy. But looks pretty good actually. So we'll continue with the disassembly of this dryer and get it looking straight. I believe to take the front off is just this bolt, and there's one here, one over there, and this little front piece should come off. And the tub obviously can come out. Then the back will come off. Got one ground here. And I believe that's it. We got the door switch. And it just needs to get pulled apart or unplugged. Okay, further broke down. We got the door off. And you can see here that it is disgusting. So, as we go further along, we'll kind of see what condition it's even in further down. The drum is out. This resistor looks pretty good. See if these safety overloads are pretty good. They look kind of new.
needs to be cleaned up. Exhaust wheel don't look too bad, but
we got it cleaned up. Cordell cleaned the hell out of the inside of this. It still needs to be wiped down, but I sucked all the dust out with this little bitty wet, dry shop vac. We're just basically getting all the dust off so that way we can wipe it down and actually really clean it. But it's looking pretty good so far. Okay, so I was editing the video and I realized that I had no video footage of the completion of this dryer. Now, I believe I had a decent little bit of myself and my brother disassembling it and kind of showing how nasty it was, because all we did was basically verify that everything inside was correct. We cleaned everything up, wiped everything down, and basically painted it a little bit, made it look a little better. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what that looks like. This is the finished 90 series dryer. And of course, that is the matching washer for it. We completely serviced both of them. The video is mainly about this dryer. It was more or less just cleaning it up and painting it, prettying it up, getting it ready to go into somebody's home. But that is the actual set. This set is actually for sale on Facebook if anybody's looking for a really good older style set that should last you a lifetime. This set is the one to do it. Very good. That's a direct drive washer with the agitation in the middle. It's really nice. Both of them run amazing. And that's exactly what we was going for when we got these to fix up and resell. So if anybody wants to see any more videos on these older style washer and dryers, let us know. Comment down in the comment box, like the video, and we'll make them.